Now here's a really easy dessert that you can serve for Valentine's Day for your sweetheart or anyone else in your family because it is easy to make and it is so delicious. The first step is for you to make the crepe batter. You can find the crepe batter recipe on my blog. It is so easy. Put all the ingredients in a jug and then blend it. That's it. Once you have the batter ready, cook all the crepes. With this batch, you'll get about 10 crepes. The extra crepes can be frozen for later or you can snack on it like I do. While those crepes are cooling down, let's get the cheesecake filling ready. Whisk together cream cheese, heavy cream and some confectioner's sugar and whisk it all together until it is nice and creamy like you see in the video. Then you are going to add some vanilla and a little bit of salt because we want to add more flavor to this. Now, optional step, you can add some chocolate to your cheesecake filling. I added some chocolate hazelnut paste, but you can add melted chocolate or cocoa powder. You can even add other flavors too. It's totally up to you. Then place all that cheesecake filling in a piping bag or a Ziploc bag. I used the Ziploc bag because it is easier and more accessible. Whatever works for you. Just place the filling in there and then seal the bag and place it in the fridge until you're ready to assemble. To serve the crepes, just fold a cool down crepe in half, pipe a generous amount of that cheesecake filling, and then fold and roll the crepe like you see in the video. Go ahead, place those crepes on a serving plate then. You can add 2 or 3 or 4, however many you want. We placed 3 per person because they are delicious and we ate all of them. Then top it up with some raspberry or strawberry puree because Valentine's Day, and then a very generous dollop of whipped cream on top. And don't forget the chocolate shavings if you want. You could even go with icing sugar or powdered sugar or even cocoa powder if you like. These cheesecake stuffed crepes are so good. The combination of the soft crepes, the chocolate cream cheese filling, and that tangy raspberry sauce on top, everything together was just so amazing. So if you think you'll make this for Valentine's Day, let me know in the comments. Share this video with a friend, and I'll see you next time.